Students write a word problem for these strip diagrams in this activity. When you observe these, all these strip diagrams have a part missing. Total is given in all cases and only a part is missing. So which means these are all subtraction problems. So students identify that this is a subtraction problem, looking at a strip diagram, and come up with a word problem for that. Let's work on one. So this is, total is given 9, one part is given, the other part is missing. Now the problem in pictures, I show 9, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 units. One part is 4, this is one part, and this should be the other part that is missing. And students write a word problem asking for this missing part. Jaina has 9 pieces of ribbon. She used some of it to decorate her room. Now she is left with 4 pieces of ribbon. This is all the information, and the question is how many. She used some, right? So that sum, how many pieces of ribbon did she use to decorate her room? Number sentence is 9 minus 4 is P or K, any variable, and the value of K is 5. So how many pieces of ribbon did she use to decorate her room? She used 5 pieces. Again, this is for grade 1 students. Please make sure to practice reading strip diagrams orally and coming up with pictures, and then writing word problems can be done orally for the first semester, and then they can start writing word problems. Directions help students work on this activity independently when they are ready. Teacher exemplar sets expectations for students, for teachers as well as students, and answers provide immediate feedback.